I recently announced on my Shopify page that I was closing my Shopify store because I decided to go in a different direction because PDF-Linkr is a great tool, but people just don't know everything they can do with it. So what I decided to do was create more of a course where we have tools and workthroughs and workflows and tutorials on how you can create products. So let me just show you what is all included. The first thing that we start with is our Creative Studio, which is a GPT, and it creates our full asset packs, everything we need to create our products. Okay, so I asked it to create an asset pack for a vintage travel ephemera collection, and this is what it gave me. So then what we would do is download this image, and then I'm going to show you the next step. Okay, the next step is to get our images ready to use in our product. So we're going to go into Layout Studio, which this is exclusively part of the Academy. We're going to upload the image that Chatty just made us. Okay, there we go. And we are going to have auto select on, background remover off, and it's going to select each one of our little images in our sheet, and it's going to clip it into an individual asset. So as you can see, now we're going to have individual assets for each little image. And you can adjust this. You can delete ones you don't want. You just click on it and then say delete active box. Okay, so I'm just going to download those and then we'll go to the next step, which is my input folder, and then choose my output folder. And then I am going to upscale it 2 times and process the images. Okay, our images are finished processing, so now we're going to go to the next part of the process, and that is our page and product builder in Layout Studio. I'm going to choose a product category, and that is going to be journals and personal growth. And I'm just going to choose guided journal. And then what I'm going to do, you can do all of your setup here, and I am going to choose the pages. So what I'm going to choose is just a cover, a welcome, and a line journal page. So I'm going to delete the pages that I don't need. And then here are my pages that are just the placeholders. And then you can download it as a PowerPoint to upload to Canva, or you can download as a PDF to open with Affinity. That's how we create all of our assets and our basic framework for our products. And then inside the Academy, we have modules that show you exactly how to use each tool, and then product walkthroughs where we walk through each step of the process of creating your product outline, uploading to Canva, uploading all of your assets, and then the process of what pages you need to duplicate, what order to download them in, and how to use PDF-Linkr to add all of your links if that's what you need. And that's about it. That's the walkthrough. I do want to show you one thing that I am working on, though, that's going to be added to the Academy. This is a new GPT that I'm working on, and it is a collection factory. So instead of just starting with one item, like one journal, we can generate ideas how to use one collection of images to create multiple products, and it walks you through each step of the process. So that's what PDF-Linkr Creator Academy is. And there's going to be a new workflow tutorial once a week. And then when I have ideas, I just add things like this collection factory. So I'm going to leave all the information in the description down below this video, and I hope to see you guys in there.